friends, once again welcome back to my channel Arnavakant's Creativity. So today in this video I am going to share with you 10 lines on dog in English, which is our domestic pet animal. So without wasting time, let's start this interesting and informative video. First one. The dog is a pet domestic animal. Second one. It is found in many colors like black, white and brown, etc. Third one. Dog has 4 thin legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears and a long tail. Fourth one. Dog has strong claws and sharp teeth. Fifth one. Dog is a faithful animal. Sixth one. Dog is the best friend of humans. Seventh one. Dog is an omnivore animal which eats bread, milk, chapati as well as meat. Eighth one. Dog has strong smelling power. Ninth one. A baby dog is called pup or puppy. 10th one. Dog keeps our home safe from thieves. So friends, if you all like these lines, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Arnavakant's Creativity, and bye till the next video, and happy Animal Day on behalf of our channel.